Trustee Alvarez. And Mr. Alvarez, if you'll come up, please. Good morning. All right, let me see. Odyssey is taking a little bit of time to pull up. All right, so where are we on discovery on each of the cases?
Discovery is offer has been tendered in my understanding.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So is the motion going to be dispositive? Or
We're discussing that right now.
all right, Ms. Ferguson. State when will you be ready for a motion to suppress? 30 days. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a motion to suppress 30 days, and it's also going to be a plea deadline date.
Judge, do you want to do the on a Wednesday, or do you want to do it just on a regular topic?
Let's do it on a Wednesday, and we'll do it Wednesday morning.
June 10th.
All right, June 10th.
June 10th.
Yes.
Judge, could we also address is you can make an application for a PR bond?
Yes. Ms. Ferguson, if you'll put in an evaluation for a PR bond for him,
Okay.
please.
June 10th.
Neil Herrera,
May I ask for a chance?
Yes. and if you could come up, please.
Set it up. Sure.
And Judge,
Hey, happy Mother's Day.
thank you very much, Judge. My son actually remembered Mother's Day.
Aw,
I know, and he didn't win anything. I was so proud.
so awesome. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
I haven't had a chance to look at it. The attorney that was on this case, Nikki, can check to see if a motion to substitute has been filed and if the court could sign it. I believe Jessica Gonzalez out of our office was the attorney representing him in Pitt Court. And then once the case gets indicted, we get a new attorney, which is me. And I haven't had a chance to look at any of the discovery. This is the first setting after indictment on the case, and I've already spoken with the state and told them that I'm still looking to get the discovery on it.
All right, to the clerk. Do you have their motion to substitute?
If you don't, I will have one filed this morning.
Well, no, it should be in the system.
Yeah. Well, that's assuming that people are doing their jobs, Judge.
And Norma, I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
June 11th.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
No,
you.
June 11th is a Wednesday.
June 10th is a Wednesday.
Oh, June 10th?
Yes, it's a Wednesday.
All right, so then we put the motion to suppress on a Tuesday?
No, we said June 10th.
Ah, okay, thank you.
No, we're gonna make
Okay, so then I'll have them file it this morning.
So what date are we putting her?
June 11th.
Ah,
Got
okay,
it.
thank you.
I got it, and I will make sure that they do file the motion to substitute this morning, because I believe
Sure.
Jessica's still the attorney of record, which is why I can't get access to any of the discovery.
Okay.
And she didn't look at anything. I love my office.
Yeah. All right, have a good one.
Blessed day. I have
Alright.
one more that's going to be a plea, but I'm waiting for the prosecutor to come up with paperwork. I need to report down to the 437. I'll be right back.
All right, thank you. All right, Robert Castillo.
Judge, you need him up here, or?
Yes.
Come on up, Robert. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
And so for Robert Castillo, we're here for trial today,
Yes.
and we're announcing ready.
All righty.
So I guess we just needed to find out what time you need us here.
1:30.
1:30?
Yes. All righty.
So she's
And
still
who's
there?
the prosecutor?
Mr. Frere.
All right. Have any other need to do an updated acknowledgement of discovery or no?
We'll do the updated process.
All right. So come back at 1:30. Norma, call a jury up here for 11:30.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Julius Gonzalez. Yes. Who's the prosecutor on this? It's an MTR on Gonzalez. New number 1 is alleged to be an assault.
Yes.
All right. Is that a family violence assault or?
regular assault.
All right, have you all conferred?
We have conferred, Judge. I think that's
There's some confusion on the, we're either gonna ask to recall this client till next Monday, Judge. There's another attorney on the misdemeanor that's handling the assault, and I've talked to my client, the possible outcome on that case, so that's gonna affect our negotiations.
Who is the attorney on the other,
Uh,
on the misdemeanor?
what did I say his name was? Amsis or Lamas, Patrick Lamas.
Okay,
The judge tried to do as briefly as possible. There was confusion. I got appointed on the misdemeanor case. I'm not on the misdemeanor rules.
okay.
I did a motion to withdraw on the misdemeanor. I was on vacation. I've been out of the country for the last 2 weeks. I got appointed somewhere on the system, but we never got notice of this MTR. I came-
Okay, and you?
I come back Friday, and he said today.
All right, so I have a motion from you, a motion to withdraw.
So the office must have filed a motion to withdraw, not thinking that we'd be back here, or that we didn't know, we didn't have an appointment for this case. So I don't mind staying on the case. If you just want to recall it for Monday, let's find out the misdemeanor, or I don't mind, when I've talked to my client, getting off this case and having Mr. Lamas appointed to everything to have it wrapped up.
All right, so what do you prefer?
I prefer to have the one attorney take care of the case and have Mr. Lamas take care of the case. I believe the new assault is the greatest hurdle in the case, since he's already working on it through discussion with my client. I think it'd be fastest. And
All right, so Norma, is that other attorney on the third degree will?
Yeah, Patrick, yeah.
All right, Norma, just call him and see if you can get him here today. And do you have any objections to this attorney withdrawing? All right, I'll sign the motion to withdraw and you'll be excused.
Good, Judge. Norma, do you want me to just call back or check in? We're good, or?
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Danny Rivas. Ah, all right, that's your client. Okay, thank you. Oh, are you all ready to proceed or no?
I'd like to approach on that. Mr. Rivas has asked for a reset and told me why I'll recommend this making a decision. Obviously, approach whatever the court's going
All right, Mr. Rivas. And Deputy Laura, can you look him up? Can you look him up? Danny Rivas. Hello, Mr. Rivas. All right, you're scheduled for jury trial today. Okay.
Actually, this is PSI, Judge.
Oh, PSI?
Yes.
Let me see the. Thank you. Yes. Is there a question?
Yeah, Judge, I was approaching. I was looking for my client. He was stuck in that line, just to let you know. Found him on the way up. He asked me if we could set this out a little bit, or he has a upcoming medical appointment. Now we're hoping it doesn't matter because he gets probation, but we don't know. So based on that, he wanted to know if the court would be willing to reset it for his neuropathy appointment. The reason that's important is it's necessary for a Social Security
Yes.
application. When is your appointment?
I have some paperwork.
Just when? When is it? Yeah.
All right, that'll be a no. And let me just explain to you why. This has been on the docket since, well, the PSI has been pending since February. So here we are, it's May.
Yeah, that is first record.
I explained that.
All right,
That's probably
so let me know when y'all are ready to proceed.
okay, Judge. I'm just going to go over the PSI with him, and we'll be ready.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay.
All right, the parties on Danny Rivas.
It's present, and we're ready.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 012282 State versus Danny Rivas. Can I have parties announced?
Eric Baker for Mr. Rivas, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Rivas?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're here today for sentencing. You entered a plea to the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 9 years in the prison. There's a $1,200 fine, and the state is opposed to your application. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report and the TAP evaluation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections from the state or the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right. State, you're opposed. Do you have any witnesses? Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Judge, I think just argument based on information.
All right, the court will hear argument. State.
Primarily, after you deny applications, while Mr. Rivas doesn't have extensive felony history, he does have a history of arrests. These arrests or convictions show a pattern. Each time Mr. Rivas is given a chance for probation, he is subsequently revoked. Mr. Rivas has done strict proceedings and to the state jail. He was convicted of a UMD and he was convicted of an assault family setting of 4 years. He also received some misdemeanor convictions. Like I said, he does get probation and then subsequently revoked. Most notable, I would say, judges in the narrative for PSI states that he was in the wrong place at the wrong time. However, Mr. Rivas has chosen to now live with that same brother Samuel, which is the alleged offense, or the individual who's owned the alleged offense occurred at. Because of this, judge, I would just allege to the court that Mr. Rivas continues to put himself in situations that allow him to make choices that criminalize, the community and give him an opportunity to engage in these acts. Because of that, I don't think it's a good thing for probation sentence to happen.
All right, defense.
Judge, all the characterization that we just heard about Mr. Rivas was from when he was 27 years old. 2006 was the last time that he was convicted for an offense. And by speaking to him and going over the PSI, when he was 27, he was affiliated. He was a gang member. He was involved in what the prosecution calls a pattern of criminal behavior. But if the court looks at in 2006, that stops. When he got out of prison, he had one arrest for possession of less than a gram, and that's it, other than this case. Since 2006, this is 2026. That's 20 years, Judge. For 20 years, he's been out working, not violating the law with essentially one arrest. That was 2010. That was over a decade ago. But for 20 years, that's all he has. Nothing else. No thefts, no domestic violence, no current gang affiliation. He went straight. And at the time that he was arrested, he was working, but he didn't have a place to stay. So he stayed with his brother. His brother's a bad dude, but it's his brother. It's his only place to stay. And what Mr. Rivas meant when he said put me in a bad situation is if he wouldn't have been there, this probably wouldn't have happened. The reason he still lives there now is because he has no other place to live. He is working on that. I spoke to him about that. I said, if the court grants probation, the court's probably going to want you to find alternate housing. He said he can do that. This is situational, Your Honor. This is not a pattern, he said. This is one incident we're here for, and he hasn't been in court for 10 years. He hasn't been convicted of anything or done any time on anything, even a minor offense, for 20 years, actually. 20 years. We don't see that very often. Got his life together. I'd hate to see him go to prison for this status offense. And for that reason, Your Honor, I'd ask you to give him that chance on probation. Probation would actually help him at this time. Yes.
How do you address the fact that the state is saying that he's never done well on probation?
Same way, Judge, is when he was 27, he didn't do well on probation. For the same reason he kept getting arrested, for the same reason he kept getting convicted. For those 20 years where he's remained pretty much clean, that shows a change, which means the 27-year-old who couldn't do probation is not the same man who's standing before you today.
And why did he have a gun?
He shouldn't have had a gun, Judge. He was carrying his backpack for protection. And he clearly violated the law. He knows that, Judge. He's not.
Because and let me just tell everyone the reason why I'm asking the questions is because in the PSI, he's saying I'm in the wrong place at the wrong time, as though, hey, this wasn't about me. And I will tell you, in the stipulations, this wasn't about him. It was about his brother. That's why they're there. And then the police in the stipulations say he has a backpack. They go to his room. The backpack is, I think, under the bed or something. And inside the backpack is the weapon and some drugs. And so I'm trying to understand that. But I'm so sorry. Let me let you all step back just a little bit because I have an interpreter here and we have a limited number of interpreters. So and then you can discuss what my concerns are.